Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you step by step to set up and configure a .NET application in Azure App Service. I will divide it into 5 videos. In the first video, I will implement a .NET application and connect to the Oracle database. In the second video, I will publish this application into Azure App Service and show you how to set up and configure it and how to call to Oracle database. In the third video, I will show you how to secure this application with the private endpoint and encrypt the connection string with the key value. In the fourth video, I will set up the point-to-point VPN connection. Since our application is connected to the private endpoint, only the user within the same VNet can browse this application. But if we set up the point-to-point VPN connection, we are also able to browse this application from our local PC. In the last video, I will show you how to debug this application, set up the server log and application log in this app service. Now let's start the implementation. I already installed the Oracle database in my local PC, so you can see there's one table, system user table. I will write a .NET application to query this table and return the user first name and last name. Let's create a .NET application. File, New, Project. We select the ASP.NET Core Web App. Next, project name, My App, location. Next, we use .NET file, create. In order to connect to Oracle database, we need to install the NuGet package. Right-click, Manage NuGet. Browse, search Oracle. This one is for the .NET Core, and then second one is for the ASP.NET. We select the first one. Set the version. Install. OK. Accept. Now we need to add the connection string into the app setting file. So open it up. We create a new section here. Connection string colon. This is predefined by the .NET framework, but this is case non-sensitive, so you can use either small letter or capital letter is fine. You can use whatever name here. I will call the Oracle connection. We need to put the Oracle connection string here. For the Oracle connection string, his format is look like this one: data source, user ID, and password. You can find the data source from Oracle Home, which is the folder where you install the Oracle. I installed the Oracle in the D drive, so I go to the Oracle Home and then select Network, Admin. I am looking for the file TNS name. Open it up. You can see the data source here. We copy into the notepad. Convert into one line. We need to add the data source at the front. User ID, password, copy it. And paste here. We also need to add these two keys into the appsetting.json file. Later I will show you how to inject the configuration object, and then use this injected object to read the value back from the appsetting file. Key 1. Copy and paste the key 2. Save. We use this function to query the Oracle database and return the user first name last name. I pass in the connection string as a parameter. Open up the Oracle connection. Query the first name last name from the table system user. Read the data. Save the username into the local variable. Finally, close the connection and return the value. Let's copy this function into our project. Open up the index page. Paste a function here. Mouse over the error. Show potential fix. Do the same thing here. Since we need to inject the configuration object and read the value from the appsetting.json file, we also need to using the Microsoft.Extension.Configuration package. Define a public property. iConfiguration. Inject the configuration object as a parameter. Initialize configuration property. We need to define another property, username, as a string. We call the getUsername method within the onGet method. We pass in the connection string, getConnectionString. We need the connection string name here. We open up the appsetting.json file. Copy the connection string name. Paste here. Finally, we need to display those two setting key value into the index page. Open up the index. For key 1, get section, get another section. So we need to copy the key name here. Go back to the app.json file. do the same thing for the key 2. We also need to display the username from the Oracle database here. Username. So everything look okay. We compile and run the program. Control F5. Look like everything okay. No error, no bug. You can see the key 1, key 2. The value are from the appsetting.json file. You're also able to see the username from the Oracle database. So that's all for today. In the next video, I will show you how to upload this application into the Azure App Service. Hope you can learn something new today. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye. See you next time.